What's up guys, welcome to your 6th WX tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the last way for now to get input from a user, and that's using a big old box with like a list in it. And it doesn't sound that cool, but it actually is pretty useful, so pay attention. The first thing we need to create, like before, is our object. I'm going to name mine box like usual, and we need to set this one equal to WX single choice dialog. There we go. Make sure you typed everything right. It's pretty important. So the first parameter it takes is parent like before, and then you ask a question like, what's your fave food? And then of course you add the title. So let's go ahead, let's keep the LVs same title, and then this is where it gets kind of tricky. The fourth parameter it takes is a list of options. So add your square brackets and start typing in your list. So tuna for your first option, since this is foods. Let me move this over. Let's see, what can be beef, and let's see what can the other option be. Sausage, I guess. So you can have as many of these options as you want. I'm just gonna have 3. Let me make sure I got my apostrophes right in the same place. Alright, so again, the first parameter is your parent, question, title, and the list of options. And however many items you make, it'll automatically make that many in the list. So let me get this back to right there. There we go. So after this, what we need to do is, just like before, this box is going to create, whenever you pick one of these items, it's going to have 2 buttons, OK and cancel. Now you only want to store whatever they picked if they click OK, or else why would you even have a cancel button there? So what we want to do is just like before, but a little bit different. If box dot show modal, and this means the button is directly equal to WX period ID underscore OK. This means if the button they clicked is the OK button, that's all this means. Then put your little colon. What do you want to do? Answer box, and what this means is I want to take that variable that's in box. Let me type this out. Get strings. Let me make selection. There we go. Get string selection, spelled it right. So this means if they clicked that box variable, then I'm creating a variable called answer, and I want it to hold whatever they typed in. So again, let me I say again a lot. I should really cut that out. Let me show you guys how this works. What's your favorite food? That was the second parameter of the question. This title was the third parameter, and your list was tuna, beef, and sausage. And again, you have 2 choices at the end. You can click one of these, click sausage, click OK, and this was from last tutorial. Should really get rid of that too, but no time. So again, one last time, here's what's going on here. You created an object called box, and this was equal to, pretty much in here, you just created that entire box like I told you before. Next you said, alright, if they click the OK button, then I want you to store their selection in a variable called answer. If they click cancel, then nothing happens. We never get that variable. So that's usually what you want. And well, I guess that's it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we're done getting input from a user. For now, we're going to be going over something else probably, but for now that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next tutorial.